All right, welcome to my channel. So the first thing that you need to know before you start watching my videos is the purpose of this channel is for education and entertainment, mostly education with some entertainment, and mostly for my students. Really, it's an opportunity for me to showcase my algorithm and for my students to see it working and me to be able to talk about the trades and why I'm taking the trades and things like that. This is not a channel where I'll be showing you that I'm making millions of dollars. So family rules, you won't be seeing that. Some traders out there want to put their stuff out. I don't even know why they do that. Like on social media in a public sphere, hey, look at me, I made 20,000 today, 50,000 today, all that stuff. That will not happen on this channel. The most you'll see me making here is anywhere from 50 bucks to $1,000 in a day would be the most once we get to that level of scaling. And then I'll reset and we'll be looking at 50 bucks and we'll be scaling back to, a thousand a day or so. And we'll just keep resetting that scaling. But family rules will not be showing you on this my social media that I'm making tons of money. Second thing is I'm trading with Thinkorswim. That's my platform that you see here on the screen. So you got my two windows on futures trading. Same thing, it'll be Thinkorswim. So you'll see that I trade futures and the equities market with these videos. I trade based off of my algorithm, the simple switch algorithm, and it's got different settings. Same algo, but different settings for futures market, for equities market, and different types of trading. It's got different settings for it. So I'll be trading off of that. Links below if you're interested in learning more about the algo. All the education over there is free, as well as the trading log that you'll see. You can get the link below, which will give you that log, so you can go over there and explore all that stuff. So when you're looking at my screen, okay, now when you're looking at my screen, you'll see these the chart markups, and you'll see yellow. Wherever I put yellow is an entry. So when it's yellow like this, it's the algo ideal entry. And then you may see a yellow like this, and that is where I actually got in, and it'll be touching the candle that I got in on. And then the location. Red are my stops, green are my targets. And then if you want to learn how the algo works so you can better understand what I'm doing when I'm doing my trades, over at the link below, you can go over there and learn all about the algo. It's completely free for that whole education. It's free to learn about my trading plan, my strategy, everything that I teach about trading is free over there. Only thing that costs money is if you decided to buy the algo, then that would cost money. But you can apply a lot of the stuff that I teach over there, including my strategy and trading plan, to your own strategies and help maybe improve your game. So all that is definitely free. I don't charge for any of that education. Only the algo if that's something you decided to add to your list. So then sometimes you'll see on here me doing experiments, which I'm going to try to do another one later on this year when I get a little more time. But I love to do trading experiments. We blow up accounts, but we do it in the purpose of education, showing you that certain trading techniques or strategies sometimes just don't work. And we play with some different concepts and blow up accounts, real accounts, small accounts, but still real accounts. And you'll also see some small accounts as well, like when we do offshore brokers and things like that. So, and then of course, educational videos I'll be putting out as well. So there's a lot of different content here. So if you can give me the like, hit that like button, that would help me a lot with the YouTube. And if you subscribe and hit that bell icon, you can be notified whenever I upload new content. And the last thing, but probably the most important thing, is trading is very risky. Do not place a trade based on what you see here or whatever I say. I'm not telling you what to do. If it sounds like I'm telling you what to do, it's me just thinking out loud. And most traders will lose all of their money. I am strictly speculating. I do not have a crystal ball. So, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. So please do not take financial advice from me. This is strictly to talk about how I trade, to teach about how I do things, and for your entertainment. All right, so now the legal stuff is out of the way. Let's get into today's trades. All right. Okay, so it's May 25th. So here we are with our swing trading algorithm. We have our red candles going to green, or red bars going to green with the dash above the white line, giving us permission to make this trade to the long side. So I got my 11 shares in based on my scaling ladder. So for my risk reward, because there's quite a bit of big move here, and as well as down here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit buy. So I'm going to go ahead and hit buy. All right, so now we are now in on Boeing. So when we take this chart back 2 years, we can see what Boeing has been doing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've had 6 green trades in 2 years and 1 red trade, so not great. Light on trades a little bit, but you know, it's if you had 2 trades and both of them are winning, it's easy to say have 100% success rate, right? When really that might be the only 2 winning trades and the rest will be all losers. So 7 trades is not really a lot to go by in 2 years, but it's been good. I mean, we've only had 1 loss in 2 years, so when you look at it like that, that sounds pretty awesome. So I'm in Boeing right now. This is also alerted out to membership. Everybody who's on the swing trade alerts, I've alerted this out. And when I'm putting this up on the channel right now, it's not the day that this happened, because I do charge for my alerts. So sometimes I put them up the day they happened as little bonuses, but most of the time I do not put them out the same day. That's why you're seeing this many days later. But here we are with Boeing. We're in, and we'll see how it goes. Right now, this is our target, but these are going to change at the close of day. Today, we'll adjust these to fit what the algo is giving us. So, and then I'll alert that out to the membership as well. All right, everybody. We'll see you at the conclusion. Okay, so here we are on June 2nd with our swing trading algo. So right here we are with BA. So Boeing, we basically alerted it over here, and pretty nice. It's, you know, within a week, it's moving like it wants to hit our target. It may hit that target today. Almost got it right there. So really close. If it doesn't close out this trade by the end of the day, I'll be alerting everybody to move the stop to break even plus a couple dollars. But right now it looks pretty solid that we're probably going to hit this target today or tomorrow, and then we'll be out of Boeing. And again, when you're looking at Thinkorswim, you know, P&L day and P&L open. So P&L day can be very deceiving. P&L open is really the only thing I pay attention to on swing trades. So 168, you know, is what we're looking at so far on this trade. Once it concludes, it should be in the 200 range, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so here we are with BA again, Boeing. Looks like we're about to get our target right here. Oh, we got our target. We're out. So we are out of Boeing. Just got, I don't know if I started recording in time for that to hear the chime or not, but we are out of Boeing. P&L day, like I said, is doesn't mean anything. P&L open, you saw that a minute ago, but we'll go over and look at the log and see what that does for our swing trading account. Okay, so here we are with the swing trade log. So Boeing, right here, BA, you can see that our entry, our exit, 11 shares. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't use the calculator to see the proper share size, and apparently I can't do math either. So this should have been a $280 win, not a $180 win. So I ended up really light on the share size because I didn't, I guess I rushed through it. I put Boeing as a marker. Where is it? Just because I like to put in the notes. Started, okay, so 525 is when we got in. So then down here, I'll put in entered at on 525. And then I'll go over to the dashboard. Closed Boeing. Because up here we have open Boeing, we should have. Nope, we didn't. There you go. So close Boeing. So the reason why it says 99.84 is because we took a loss in our day trading account so far today. Day's not over yet, but we do have a loss in that account. So that's why it's showing 99 instead of the 184 that we just saw. All right, so now let's go look at the scaling ladder. Do we get to scale up? Nope. So had I had that proper share size, we'd definitely be scaling up to the next bar. So is what it is. We got a couple more swing trades open. So once those close out, we should be able to move a couple more levels, and then we'll keep on going from there. All right, everybody, we'll bring the next trade to you.